Buckle up, folks, because today we're about to embark on an electrifying journey through the world of the iconic Dodge Charger. This American legend has been capturing the hearts of car enthusiasts for decades, and today, we're peeling back the layers to uncover what makes it truly special. But before we put the pedal to the metal, make sure to do us a favor, give that like button a solid tap, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. By subscribing, you'll be joining our passionate community of car lovers, ensuring you won't miss out on any of our upcoming automotive adventures. Now, let's rev it up. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the Dodge Charger, a symbol of American performance and style. This car has been dominating the roads since the 1960s, and it's still as exciting as ever. Join us on this epic journey as we uncover the secrets behind the Charger's enduring popularity. Let's kick things off with the exterior design. The Dodge Charger embodies a perfect blend of modern aggression and classic charm. The iconic crosshair grille and those bold LED headlights give the Charger an unmistakable presence on the road. And those sculpted lines? They're not just for show, they enhance aerodynamics and performance. Step inside the Charger, and you'll find a comfortable, driver-focused cabin. The interior is a balance of functionality and style, with high-quality materials and modern technology. The seats are supportive, and the spaciousness of the cabin means you can comfortably take your friends or family along for the ride. It's a daily driver that doesn't sacrifice comfort for performance. Now, let's talk about the heart and soul of the Dodge Charger, its powertrain. The Charger offers a range of engines to suit your needs, from the potent V6 to the fire-breathing Hellcat V8. Our test model today is the Charger SRT Hellcat, packing a mind-boggling 707 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. This thing can go from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds. It's like riding a rocket on wheels. The Charger's driving experience is nothing short of exhilarating. It's rear-wheel drive, which means it's got that classic muscle car feel. But if you opt for the all-wheel drive version, you get the best of both worlds, power and control. The handling is sharp, and the ride quality strikes a great balance between sporty and comfortable. It's a car that can tear up the track and cruise on the highway with equal ease. In terms of tech and safety, the Charger has you covered. It comes with a user-friendly infotainment system, smartphone integration, and a host of driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist. The Charger's high safety ratings provide peace of mind, so you can enjoy its performance without worries. Of course, with great power comes the need for fuel. The Charger's fuel economy varies depending on the engine you choose, but it's important to note that this car is designed for performance, not fuel efficiency. So, be prepared for more frequent trips to the gas pump if you plan to push the Charger to its limits. What's fantastic about the Charger is the level of customization it offers. With various trim levels, paint colors, and available packages, you can tailor your Charger to suit your style. Whether you prefer a sleek and understated look or an in-your-face, bold appearance, the Charger can be customized to reflect your personality. Before you decide to bring a Dodge Charger into your life, consider the ownership costs. Insurance, maintenance, and fuel can add up, especially if you opt for one of the high-performance models. It's essential to budget accordingly to ensure you can fully enjoy the Charger without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the Dodge Charger is not just a car, it's an American icon. It's a sedan with attitude, a powerhouse of performance, and a symbol of timeless style. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or someone who appreciates the fusion of power and elegance, the Charger has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey through the world of the Dodge Charger. If you enjoyed this review, do us a favor, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more thrilling automotive adventures. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Before we sign off, Make sure you've liked this video and subscribe to stay updated on all things automotive. Until next time, keep the pedal to the metal and the rubber on the road. See you in the next video.